Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor boy named Ravi. Ravi lived with his mother in a tiny, broken house. They did not have much food, and sometimes they slept without eating. His mother worked very hard, but the money was never enough. Even though life was hard, Ravi had a big dream. "I will become rich one day," he always said. People in the village laughed at him. "You are poor. You will always be poor," they said. But Ravi never gave up. Every morning, Ravi woke up early. Before going to school, he helped his mother. After school, he worked at a small shop to earn a little money. At night, when everyone was sleeping, Ravi studied under a dim light. He was tired, but he never stopped. One day, something bad happened. Ravi's mother became very sick. They had no money for medicine. Ravi felt helpless, but he did not cry. "I must be strong," he said. From that day, Ravi worked even harder. Years passed. Ravi finished school with excellent results. A kind teacher helped him get a scholarship to a good university. Life slowly started to change. Ravi studied day and night. He learned new skills. He worked part-time jobs to support himself. It was not easy, but Ravi never forgot his dream. After many years, Ravi started his own small business. At first, it failed. He lost money. People laughed again. But this time, Ravi smiled. "Failure is not the end," he said. He tried again, and again, and again. Finally, one day, success came. Ravi's business grew fast. He became a successful and rich man. But he never forgot his past. The first thing Ravi did was build a new house for his mother. He took care of her with love. Then, he helped poor children in his village. He built a school so they could study and follow their dreams. One day, a man asked Ravi, "How did you become rich?" Ravi smiled and said, "I was poor. But I never lost my dream. I worked hard, I failed, and I tried again. That is my secret."